Hey guys, just got home from work. We just got another package in the mail. I don't know what this is. But first, time for our song. I just got a package. I just got a package. I just got a package. Wonder what's inside. See what this is. Oh, see this? Wow. It's a Steve & Blue button pin this time. So first I got the Blues Musical one, now with Steve & Blue on it. I like this one. This is pretty cool. I like this. Get to wear this. And now, little message for you guys. So, I don't know if you guys remember one of my last unboxing videos where I unboxed all the puppets back then. I introduced you to the new puppy of the house, Bo. Well, he's not feeling so well right now. He actually hasn't been feeling well since Sunday. Poor dog has an ear infection. The poor dog hasn't moved since. So it's Monday. He hasn't moved off the couch. Poor dog's been laying down there. They're sick. So if you guys want to send a message to me hoping he gets better real soon, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later.